Ready? We can't do each other's eyes if we have blindfolds on.
Doesn't matter. Ready?
Oh God.
Set.
I'm not ready.
Go. Where's your face? Where's yours? What was that I got out of my mouth? I didn't even put anything on you yet.
Does it taste good?
Kind of.
My forehead, Amber.
I don't even know if it's working.
What is this? Oh, jeez. Come here.
That tickles! Don't move! Wait, I have to do something first. It won't go in. Don't what?
Okay.
It won't open.
My bad. Where are you? Alright.
Ugh. I wanna. I almost stuck my finger up your nose, I think.
Where I dropped it. I need
Oh. Did you?
No.
Oh.
Hey.
Ouch.
Oh. Oh.
What roller thingy did you have?
I don't know.
Okay, what are we gonna do? I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Soon as the freaks walk back in here.
I think you broke it.
No,
Did I really?
Ugh.
come on, man.
You can't attack him as long as Spencer's on that wheel in the basement, or else Nora's just gonna spin him again.
And anyway, that butter sock is gross. I change the butter once a month. Do you really? No.
Man, there's no way to get this window open. Hey,
Oh, I did that to you too.
get out of here.
Oh, the chimney. That's the one.
No. On a reindeer. Yippee.
You idiot. We thought you meant climbing up the chimney.
That could also work.
Just strap yourself up there and go for help.
Okay.
No, wait. The dirt sluts will notice he's gone.
No. Because Gibby's gonna be taking a nap on the couch.
Sam, take the head off that dummy. I don't know. I didn't
Can we be done now?
No.
Come on.
Be gentle with my head.
Oh, that hurt.
Okay, we can be done now.
Hey.